So, you thinking what I'm thinking?
I don't know. I don't want to be used like every other girl.
No, I'm not like that. You're a cool girl and all. Like,
Okay, but only on one condition.
what's that?
We have to get breakfast in the morning.
Breakfast? Yeah.
Really?
I love breakfast.
Okay.
You know, bacon and eggs.
Okay, perfect.
Let's go. Yeah,
I had a great time with you last night.
me too. You know, we should totally do it again sometime.
I would love that. So, we're gonna go get breakfast?
Yeah. Yeah, we can go get breakfast. That's what I said last night, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna go get ready,
Okay.
and then we can go.
Sounds great.
Be right back.
Yeah. Don't take too long.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you would not believe what happened last night. Yeah, oh my god, he's so nice. Yeah. Yeah, and you promised that we're gonna go out for breakfast. Yeah, he's in the bathroom right now getting ready. Yeah. Okay. He's coming back. I gotta go. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Alright, let's go.
Ready so quick?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you look at this room? What a disaster.
I mean, it's not that bad,
It's pretty bad. Like, we should at least make the bed. Like,
I guess.
all right. Much better. Oh, it's just Matt.
Come on, we don't have enough time. We gotta go.
Yo, Matt, what's up?
Wow, did you forget something?
What'd I forget?
To pick up my grandma's totally mint.
Your grandma. Yeah, your grandma's photo ointment. Yeah. Oh shit, dude, I completely forgot.
Dude, come on, you told me to take me.
Yeah, I know, but I got held up. I'm with someone right now that I met last night. Can I pick it up later?
Like I give a shit? Does it sound like I give a shit? This is my grandma's photo ointment we're talking here.
Yeah, that is pretty important, dude. I'll be there in 5 minutes, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Alright, see ya.
Are you serious?
I mean,
You
yeah,
promised. Come on.
I know, I'm so sorry. I gotta go. I didn't know this was gonna happen.
Yo, what's up? We didn't get in.
Yo, I can't believe we pulled that off.
I know, right? That was Leonardo DiCaprio acting.
Dude, we deserve an Oscar for that.